Hi to all, welcome to my class number 5, Integers. In this class, I am going to discuss multiplication of two negative integers and product of three or more negative integers. In the last class, we discussed the multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer. Here I wrote some products. Look at the products. First one is negative 3 into 4. So different sign means you have to multiply the numbers and put 90s in. That is negative 12. Negative 3 into 3 is negative 9. Negative 3 into negative 6. Negative 3 into 1, negative 3. Negative 3 into 0, 0. Can you find any pattern in this? Look at the first and second. From negative 12, how do you get negative 1? Here we are multiplying all this 4, 3, 2, 1 by negative 3. So you get negative 9 by subtracting negative 3 from negative 12. Negative 12 minus negative 3 is equal to negative 12 plus 3. So subtract 9, bigger number sign negative. So negative 9 you are getting. Then how do you get negative 6? It is negative 6. So it is negative 9 minus negative 3. Now how do you get negative 3? It is negative 6 minus negative 3. Now how do you get 0? It is negative 3 minus negative 3. Now look at these patterns. Here we subtract negative 3 to get the next step. Now how do you get then negative 3 into negative 1? Here we decrease the 1 from each step. 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, 0, 1 minus 1 0. So next number will be negative 1. Here we subtract negative 3 in each step. So to get negative 3 into negative 1, what will you do? Yes, you have to subtract negative 3 from 0. So we can write 0 minus negative 3. What is 0 minus negative 3? To subtract, you have to add the additive input. So this we can write it as 0 plus 3, that is 3. Now, how do you get negative 3 into negative 2? Here you got answer 3. You subtract negative 3 from 3. That is 3 minus negative 3. 3 minus negative 3. How will you write? It is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. The answer is 6. Here negative 3 into negative 1 you are getting positive 3. Negative 3 into negative 2 you are getting positive 6. Here is a question for you. Now observe these products and fill in the blanks. Negative 5 into 4 is equal to negative 20. Negative 5 into 3 is equal to negative 15. How do you get negative 15? You subtract negative 5 from negative 20. That is negative 20 minus negative 5. Negative 20 minus negative 5 you can write as negative 20 plus 5. Negative 20 plus 5, different sign, subtract 15, bigger number sign negative. So negative 15 is the answer. Similarly, negative 5 into 2, you subtract negative 5 and negative 15. So this you can write it as negative 15 plus 5, because negative 15 minus negative 5 is equal to negative 15 plus 5. What is negative 15 plus 5? As it is negative 10. So in this way you write, fill the blanks. Here are your answers. Negative 5 into 2 is equal to negative 10. So here negative 15, subtract negative 5 means add positive 5. So negative 10. Here negative 5, that is negative 10 plus 5. Here 0, that is negative 5 plus 5. Here 5 because 0 plus 5. Here 10, it is 5 plus 5 is 15. It is 10 plus 5. Now look at the product of the negative numbers. From the above examples, negative 3 into negative 1 you got 3, negative 3 into negative 2 you got 6, negative 5 into negative 1 you got 5, negative 5 into negative 2 you got 10, negative 5 into negative 3 you got 50. Now look at the LHS. Here all are negative number into negative number. But look at the right hand side answer. These all are positive. That means when you multiply two negative integers, the product sign of the product always will be positive. If it is so, what is negative 10 into negative 6? You just multiply 10 into 6 and put a positive sign to this 60. So, negative 10 and negative 6 is equal to positive 60. Since it is positive, no need to write here positive. You can write 60. This way, you are multiplying two negative integers. Or we can write, we multiply the two negative integers as a whole numbers and put the positive sign before the product. In general, we can write for any two positive integers a and b, negative a into negative b is equal to a into b. That means you simply multiply the numbers. That is, the product of integers having different sign is always negative, and the product of integers having same sign is always positive. That is, positive number into positive number, you will get a positive number. Negative number into negative number, also you will get a positive number. Here, negative number into positive number, you will get negative. Negative integer into positive integer, you will get negative. Positive into negative also, you will get negative. Now let us see the product of three or more negative integers. What is negative 4 and negative 3? Same sign. So multiply and write positive, put positive sign. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. The answer is positive 12. Now what is negative 4 into negative 3 into negative 2? Negative 4 into negative 3 is equal to 12. Positive 12. Again positive 12 into negative 2. Negative 4 into negative 3 is equal to 12. Then into negative 2. Here a positive and negative different sign. So the answer of the product is negative. So we get. Now what is negative 4 into negative 3 into negative 2 into negative? Here first we multiply negative 4 into negative 3 into negative 2 because its answer is negative 24. Here you can see when we multiply two negative numbers, you are getting positive. The second three numbers, you are getting answer negative. If you are multiplying four numbers, you are getting positive. And if we multiply five numbers, what will you get? Yes, it will be negative. That means product of two negative numbers and product of four negative numbers, you are getting answer as positive. So if you are multiplying six negative numbers, again you will get a positive integer as an answer. That is, number of negative integers in a product is even, then you are getting positive. Here the answer is positive. Here also even number of integers in this product. So answer is positive. Now if it is odd number of integers in a product, then you will get a negative. That means 3, 5, 7, 9 numbers are there in a product, your answer always will be negative. If 2, 4, 6, 8 integers are there in a product, you always get a positive integer as an answer. So we can write, if the number of negative integers in a product is even, then the product is a positive integer. If the number of negative integers in a product is odd, then the product is a negative integer. Answer the following. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply together 8 negative integers and 3 positive integers? If you multiply 3 positive integers, definitely you are getting a positive integer. 8 negative integers, 8 means even. So its product always will be positive. Then positive into positive, you are getting a positive integer. What will be 5 negative integers and 4 positive integers? 4 positive integer is positive. 5 negative integers means it is odd number, so it is negative. So negative into positive, negative will be the answer. Negative 1 12 times. 12 times negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1. 12 times means it is even time. So answer is positive. Negative 1 2m times. M is a natural number. 2m times means 2m is an even number. Suppose m is equal to 3. 2m means 2 into 3 6. M is equal to 5. 2 into 5 10. M is equal to 4. 2 into 4 8. That means 2 into some number means always an even number. So negative 1 even times means it is positive. Now do this exercise 1.3. Find each of the following products. There are 10 questions. Do yourself. Here is the answer for that questions. Do complete your notebooks. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.